मुझे तो अभी तक वो इन ले ही नहीं पा रहा हूँ मैं. आई एम नॉट एबल टू मतलब अंडरस्टैंड हाउ दिस इज हैपनिंग या कैसे हुआ है.
How this song, was not meant to
Yeah,
be.
it was not meant to be made a Tamdi Zamdi song, or not even meant to be a Marathi song actually. So they said that Marathi music is not allowed in clubs. The whole reason I started making electronic music is because of David Guetta.
A song that makes you cry even today. हाय परी हूँ मैं एंड दिस इज रेडियो नशा प्लेबैक. एंड मेरे साथ एक ऐसे इंसान जो अपनी ट्यून्स पर पूरी मुंबई को नचाते हैं. लेट मी जस्ट पुट इट दैट वे. विथ मी क्रिटिक्स.
Yes, hi.
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 How are you?
All good. Now I'm feeling a bit weak because of the shows.
हाँ.
But that's a good to have problem. मतलब अच्छी
Nice
बात है
flex.
कि shows की वजह से बीमार हूँ. So yeah.
But let me get straight to the point. क्या हो गया मतलब तामड़ी. How you pronounce it? तामड़ी
Tamdi Zamdi.
It has gone viral like how?
Yeah, yeah.
मतलब how are you taking this in?
मुझे तो अभी तक वो इन ले ही नहीं पा रहा हूँ मैं. आई एम नॉट एबल टू मतलब अंडरस्टैंड हाउ दिस इज हैपनिंग या कैसे हुआ है. बिकॉज जनरली कुछ तो एक मोमेंट होता है लाइक सम बिग सेलिब्रिटी शेयर्ड योर सॉन्ग, इसके वजह से शायद हो. ऐसा भी कुछ हुआ नहीं. लाइक ऑब्वियसली सेलिब्रिटीज हैव शेयर्ड, बट उसके पहले भी इट वाज लाइक क्वाइट वायरल एंड पीपल वर लिसनिंग टू इट. सो मतलब इट्स अनबिलीवेबल फॉर मी कि मतलब कोई गाना मैं बना रहा हूँ और इट इज लाइक हर्ड एवरीवेयर. लाइक मैं रास्ते पे चल रहा हूँ, मैं कहीं पे सुन रहा हूँ, मैं इंस्टाग्राम रील स्क्रॉल कर रहा हूँ, मैं वहीं पे सुन रहा हूँ. सो दिस इज नॉट समथिंग आई कैन स्टिल बिलीव.
When did you realize कि ये गाना वायरल हो चुका है?
टू बी रियली ऑनेस्ट मुझे अभी भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि वायरल हुआ है.
मतलब when did you notice that?
ऑफिशियली तो अगर अब इंस्टाग्राम पे वो एरो आ जाता है तो
अच्छा.
लग जाता है हमारा, तो दैट्स द साइन ऑफ वायरलिटी नाउ.
In an interview only I heard you say about how this song was not meant to
Yeah,
be.
it was not meant to be made a Tamdi Zamdi song, or not even meant to be a Marathi song actually. So South Indian actor, he got to know that I'm doing Marathi and he liked it. And he loved the vibe, and he's also into music, modern rap and so on. I cannot take his name because he's a big guy in South Indian, but for some reason it wasn't मतलब नहीं हुआ complete वहाँ पे वो गाना. तो I sent it to Shreyas, and I knew Shreyas from a long time, and not much long time, but I had met him और काफी अच्छा vibe हो गया था मेरा और Shreyas का. तो मैंने Shreyas को बोला ये तू ले ले, इसमें कुछ मराठी का you put in and we'll collaborate, 3 of us will collaborate. तो उसने जो मुझे भेजा I was like वो तीसरे वाले को छोड़ देते, we only will complete the song. And he was fine, okay let's put it out. But तभी भी we were like कि will people understand what we have done, like this is very new sound. ऐसा कुछ आया नहीं है पहले साउंड sonically, ऐसा कुछ आया नहीं है. So Shreyas started to play it in his shows because वो रैप परफॉर्मेंसेस करता था, तो उसने अपना प्ले किया. तो वो एक कोई वीडियो ही सेंड मी कि एवरीवन इज डांसिंग, जोर से नाच रहे उस गाने पे, पूरा लाइक भूकंप जैसा लग रहा है वो. तो उसने मुझे भेजा कि चलो वी शुड रिलीज इट. And I was like, I was still not sure what to do. Then I started playing my shows. Then I started gaining confidence कि yeah, sounds good. People are dancing. And इतना भी कुछ बड़ा रिस्पॉन्स नहीं आता था स्टार्टिंग में, because people didn't knew the song.
Correct.
And तामड़ी जामड़ी ये वर्ड ऐसा कुछ नोन नहीं है ना, मतलब फेमस वर्ड नहीं है. तो वो शायद ग्रास भी नहीं होता था उनको. लेकिन उसमें एक लाइन थी जो श्रेयस ने बोली, क्लब मध्ये क्रिटिक्स तर मराठी वाजणारच. तो उस पे बहुत बड़ा ये आता था, चीयर आता था जब मैं प्ले करता था. तो कि हाँ चलो इसके लिए, ये क्लाइमैक्स मोमेंट के लिए आई इंक्लूड द सॉन्ग. फिर then days went by and he said let's release it. So I released it on my own label. We didn't pitch it to any label.
Yeah.
Okay, I just put it out. And we just made one small reel ki out now. That's it. That's the only marketing we did. We didn't do like chalo influencers se reel banwate, kuch nahi. That was the only thing, because people were asking that which is this song, we want this song and all. So wo kiya, and then after few months we started seeing reels of it.
But for all the non-Marathi speaking viewers and listeners, core मतलब क्या है इस गाने का वो बताओ.
So तांबडी जांबडी चमकते उन्हात लकलक, that's the main line. तांबडी जांबडी means brown skin. तांबडी brown, not completely brown, is the reddish brown thing.
Okay.
Not the brown like dark brown नहीं है. तांबडी जांबडी चमकते उन्हात, so it shines, है ना. तो उसका एक्चुअली एक नॉर्मल मीनिंग यही है कि तांबडी जांबडी like brown skin shines. That's the normal meaning.
Translation.
But the deeper meaning of that is which when I discussed with Shreyas told me कि ये जो skin है ना हमारी I'm proud of it and it shines. And लका लकला is the exaggeration of that emotion कि हाँ shines. मैं ऐसे ही नहीं बोल रहा हूँ shine. मुझे बहुत पसंद आ रहा है वो कि अच्छा लग रहा है. And Shreyas got this laka laka word from like his grandfather used to say that laka laka because you know these jugnu. So his grandfather used to tell me देखो कैसे लक लगता है ऐसा. So this is a kind of phrase we use. Old people use. So use that word from there.
It's wonderful. Okay, I told you that I'm going to constantly take you back in time.
Yeah.
तो मुझे बताओ एक ऐसा गाना that like people today are listening to this song on loop.
Yeah.
But has there ever been a song for you in the late 90s or early 2000s जो आप loop पर सुना करते थे? हिंदी song.
Because I was grown in that era of Hrithik Roshan, तो वो जो एक पल का जीना song है, that was something when I was a kid. I used to like constantly play that song. वो और तभी अब loop पे भी सुनना है तो आपको वो कैसेट डाल के you have to like do that like rewind.
Yeah.
फिर वो भी बराबर point पे नहीं आएगा. Then you have to again go rewind. तो वो song तो मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा सुन लिया है वो. And then now it actually connects back because that was an electronic song. Now I know that why I liked that song so much. क्योंकि वो जो होता ना टन वो बहुत I used to love that. और then again Hrithik Roshan was like every kid used to think I want to dance like him, I want to look like him.
I've have those abs like
yeah.
Oh
so वो एक पल का जीना track and then all the songs of कहो ना प्यार है like कहो ना प्यार है one चांद सितारे and all that.
Yeah.
So that my dad had bought a cassette and I used to listen to that a lot.
But you know what I love about you is how you also retain your originality so well. Let me put it this way that you've made Marathi songs and music cool.
Yeah.
You've made it cool. You've made it cool. But was there a challenge? मतलब ये यहाँ तक पहुँचने में challenges I'm sure आए होंगे.
Yeah, absolutely. It was challenging for me because I also didn't think कि I want to do this or ऐसा कुछ करना है. But accidentally I used Marathi songs where I was just making content. Like I was just sitting and making content for Instagram because किसी friend ने मुझे बोल दिया था तूने म्यूजिक छोड़ दिया है क्या? तो जस्ट रेलिवेंट रहने के लिए कि कोई सोचे मैंने छोड़ तो नहीं दिया म्यूजिक. आई वाज मेकिंग समथिंग एंड आई पिक्ड मराठी सॉन्ग, स्टार्टेड फ्यूजिंग इट विद इलेक्ट्रॉनिक, मेड माय ओन बीट्स ओवर इट एंड देन आई मेड एंड देन आई गॉट अ शो. I met my manager and then I got a show and then उस show का that first show which had played Marathi house music went viral and DJ started texting me कि ये तो अरे this is so cool, first time you've done, someone has done that. Like I was confused कि पहली बार ऐसे मतलब कैसे like how is it? So they said that Marathi music is not allowed in clubs. Like if someone requests कि मुझे ये play करना है तो they don't allow. Clubs used to think कि अरे मराठी DJ तो ये मतलब कैसा होगा या विसर्जन का वाइब हो जाएगा. So वो explain करने में बहुत difficulties आती थी कि नहीं ये house music है, ये ऐसा है वैसा है. In that journey also very few people they trusted me कि चलो we'll trust you whatever you're saying and we'll give you opportunity. तो उनमें से like 10 में से किसी एक ने दे दी तो we tried to see कि उस अपॉर्चुनिटी को भी हम बहुत अच्छे से यूज कर रहे हैं. उसके अच्छी प्रमोशन कर रहे हैं, उसके अच्छे वीडियो बना रहे हैं और लोगों को दिखा रहे हो कि हमने किया है. सो वो सब करते गया. देन आई लाइक एंड टिल टुडे लाइक आई सैडली आई हैव टू अगेन प्रूव टू एवरीवन.
हैव यू हर्ड अ मराठी वर्जन ऑफ एनी हिंदी सॉन्ग? जैसे आई नो दैट देयर इज अ beautiful Marathi version of the Roja title track. You know that song? The same artists. It's K.S. Chitra, it's A.R. Rahman, it's Suresh Vadkar.
Okay.
कोई भी हिंदी गाना मराठी वर्जन में सुना है?
ऑपोजिट सुना है मैंने.
ऑपोजिट जैसे बताओ.
जैसे गाजी अतुल सॉन्ग्स, चिकनी चमेली, कोमड़ी पड़ाली.
Yeah.
And Saira Jingat is like everyone has heard. ये गो ये महीना there's a song in Marathi and there's a Hindi version of it. I don't remember the name they have put it on, but I've heard and recently also I guess Bring It On करके एक song है उसका Marathi version का they have made the Hindi version. So I've heard a lot of like Marathi.
उल्टा.
But Hindi का Marathi मैंने I haven't heard. No.
Okay. But tell me something. Is there any who do you think is a good musical inspiration for you?
For my music.
Yeah.
So the whole reason I started making electronic music is because of David Guetta. Yeah, I saw his documentary. I heard first song I heard of him was Sexy Chick by him and Akon. That's when I discovered what is this music and who's this guy. बिकॉज दिस म्यूजिक साउंड्स कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट. बिकॉज उसके पहले मुझे लगता था म्यूजिक मतलब क्या होता है, आप गिटार लेके आते हो, पियानो करते हो, तो ये दोनों भी नहीं है उसके अंदर, वो गाने के अंदर. एंड आई थॉट आई स्टार्टेड डिस्कवरिंग, तो उस पर दिखा देता इलेक्ट्रॉनिक म्यूजिक है ये. Then I searched David Guetta. I saw his biopic documentary. So that inspired me a lot because he was one of those guys जिसने DJs को mainstream एक performer का role दिया है. Like उसके पहले no, that wasn't a thing actually. DJs मतलब was in a club, even in abroad was in a club. वो जो corner में एक desk दिया है, he's playing it. But he started this thing that DJs in the front. उसको सब देख रहे हैं, there's a lights, then there's everything.
Yeah.
Or then he won the Grammy, that also validated him as an artist. Because DJs weren't considered as artists. You know, तो उसको like उसका गाना है, he's an electronic artist, and then that is something I was really inspiring because because of his existence, something completely changed in the world.
क्या था? What used to be in your playlist?
That times it was like core Bollywood, जो भी मतलब आ रहा है आज, मतलब मूवी चल रही है, ये जो हिट सॉन्ग है इसका, that was in my, because music exploration was कि आप ये MTV देख लो, आप VH1 देख लो, जो उस पे चल रहा है वो चल रहा है. तो दैट वाज माय थिंग कि हाँ इसके सब लिरिक्स बैड है, आप लिख के रख रहे हो लिरिक्स, और क्योंकि हाउ एल्स यू कैन फाइंड द लिरिक्स, सो वो सब था.
कौन सा वो गाना जिसके लिरिक्स गलत गाए?
मैंने गलत गाए? देयर इज दिस सॉन्ग जिसके लिरिक्स किसी को शायद आज तक भी ढंग से पता नहीं है. बुरे बुरे नो वन नोज व्हाट दैट इज, बट सब गलत गाते हैं उसको, लाइक वो लिरिक्स ही कुछ अलग है. सो दैट वन, एंड इट्स वेरी पॉपुलर आल्सो.
इट्स वेरी पॉपुलर. इट्स ब्लफ मास्टर वाला.
हाँ.
Yeah, even I don't know.
Yeah, but yeah, you can still like sing the song.
Yeah. Do you have memories of what is the first film, पहली हिंदी फिल्म जो आपने थिएटर में देखी थी?
I was very small, and that was कुछ कुछ होता है only. I didn't understand much what I was seeing. We were very small, but yeah, that was कुछ कुछ होता है, and like it was my first like movie which I seen in a theater.
Wow. And is there any film that you go back to even today, जब आपको, when you just want to like watch something fun? Is there any Hindi film you go back to when you want to laugh or have fun?
Hera Fairy, like always, like I don't know how many times I watched that movie. Hera Fairy is like the best movie according to me, because any day I'm having a tough time or like something wrong is going, and I just play anything from it, just play any point of Hera Fairy movie, and I know the entire dialogues and everything is just by heart.
Yeah, you know, the people talk about snackable content today.
Yeah.
Hera Fairy was snackable.
Yeah.
आप कहीं से भी कोई भी portion उठा लो.
Yeah.
And you can just start from anywhere, and it's always fun.
Yes.
Any film that you remember watching जिसका आपको लगा कि यार soundtrack बड़ा तगड़ा है. I mean, oof, what music. And you thought that...
It's a Bollywood movie you're asking?
Yeah. That the soul of the film was actually the music.
I think Lage Raho Munna Bhai. Like very few people notice how good the soundtrack is. Lage Raho Munna and also Munna Bhai, because I think it's done by the same people. But Lage Raho Munna Bhai especially, because I saw a documentary also about it, because I was very curious to know who did the soundtrack. तो जो एक scene है उसमें जो पीछे से ना la 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 la, and these scenes just amplify. ये एक soundtrack amplifies the whole scene.
Yeah.
So वो मैं बहुत, I really love the soundtrack of Munna Bhai and Lage Raho. This was outstanding. Like I know there are many greater movies, people would think नहीं इसका तो बहुत अच्छा है, but I know I have a very special connection with the soundtrack of Munna Bhai and Lage Raho Munna Bhai.
Wow. A song that makes you cry even today?
Makes me cry.
Yeah, makes you emotional even today.
That's a very like it's my playlist. It's in Udaan. Sham Saveri, it's called, it's my most favorite song. Don't play it, otherwise I'll cry over it.
I won't. One last thing I'm going to do with you, which is I'm going to give you 5 Hindi songs.
Okay.
And you have to translate this in Marathi for me.
Okay.
Okay? Ready?
Yeah.
All right. The first song is Pehla Nasha. Pehla Nasha, Pehla Khumar.
Pahila Nasha's. Oh shit, what is Nasha called in? Pahila Nasha's, na? Like, that is the thing, right? or is
you
it,
can use the word nasha only.
हाँ नशा पहिला नशा, this it's very similar actually Marathi and Hindi.
दिल दिल तो पागल है, दिल दीवाना है.
हृदय वेडा आहे, हृदय दीवाना, I don't know what is
Let's
दीवाना.
use दीवाना only.
दीवाना.
Okay. ओ लाल दुपट्टे वाली तेरा नाम तो बता.
ए लाल दुपट्टे वालीचं नाव सांग.
बहुत ही सिंपल है ये. ओके. मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू.
माझ्या स्वप्नातली राणी कधी येशील तू. It's very actually now I realize it's very same, like it can be just used as a song.
Yeah. And last. ये काली काली आंखें, ये गोरे गोरे गाल.
हे काळे काळे डोळे, हे गोरे गोरे गाल.
Gal is gal only
Yeah,
in Marathi.
yeah,
Oh, that's simple. You know, I think we should have a Marathi version of these songs.
yeah. Why
अच्छा
not?
match हुआ.
Yeah, these labels need to agree to it. That's the main problem.
That's right. But this was fun. Thank you so much. And congratulations on all the
Thank you, thank
success
you.
that's coming your way.
Thanks a lot.
And बस ऐसे ही हमें आप अपनी tunes पर नचाते रहो.
Yes, yes,
And
yes.
whenever you're performing in Mumbai, let us know.
Yes, yes, definitely.
Would love to come.
Yeah. Soon,
Thank
soon.
you. Thank you so much.
Yes. Thank you, thank you.